In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview your Shopify theme. Start by opening Shopify and signing into your admin at admin.shopify.com. Once you are inside the Shopify admin, look to the left sidebar. This is where the main store settings and sections are listed. Find Online Store in that sidebar and click it. When Online Store expands, click Themes. In some cases, themes may already be selected as soon as you open Online Store. So if that happens, just stay on that page. Now you will be on the Themes page. At the top, you'll see your current live theme. Below that, you'll see the theme library, which is where other themes connected to your store are listed. This page lets you work with both your published theme and any draft themes that are not currently live. Next, scroll down until you reach the Themes section and locate the specific theme you want to preview. Take a moment to identify the correct theme card, because the preview option is open from that theme zone menu. On the theme card, click the three-dot menu. This opens a drop-down with actions for that theme. From the drop-down menu, click Preview. Shopify will then open a preview of that theme so you can view how it looks without publishing it. This allows you to open the drafts theme in a preview mode and look through the storefront version of that theme. Once the preview has opened, you can close it when you're done. To do that, go to the bottom right corner of the preview screen and click the three-dot menu icon. After that menu opens, click Exit Preview. That will close the theme preview and take you out of preview mode. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's the process for previewing a Shopify theme from your admin dashboard. You open Online Store, go to Themes, find the theme in the Themes section, open its three-dot menu, and choose Preview. When you're finished, use the three-dot menu in the bottom right of the preview and click